Hi guys, welcome to Step by Step PowerPoint. Do you like to You can make it in PowerPoint and play games with your student or even with your friends. Let's see this tutorial and learn how to create it. At first, go to the new slide and choose blank slide. Then go to the Insert, Chart, Pie Chart and choose this. Okay, we need 8 equal parts. So go to these tables and put number 1 instead of these numbers. Now we have 8 equal parts. Okay, now we want each part. So you can double click on each part and choose it and go to the format, and in here change the color to the color, and now you see that it can change the color. Let's do it for other parts. Select these charts and cut it. Go to the Home, Paste Special, and choose Picture SVG. And then click OK. Then right-click again on your chart and convert it to the shapes. Now you have shapes. Click again, right-click again on your shape and ungroup it. You can use Ctrl-Shift-G and ungroup these shapes. So you can remove parts that you do not need. I remove these parts and these titles. Now I want to write anything that you like. For example, you can write names, dollar, or any games that you want to play in this. Like will. I add text and write, for example, change it to the number that you want. Now select all of them and press Ctrl-G and group them. Go to the tab Animation and choose Speed Animation for these circles. Go to this and Timing, repeat until end of the slide, and duration choose 1 second and click OK. Then go to the tab Add Animations and choose Appear. Now we need circles around these main circles. Go to the tab Insert, Shape and choose this donut. By pressing Shift-click, draw a circle, put it in the right positions and change the width of these donuts. Click both shapes, go to the Align Center and Align Middle. Change the color of these shapes. I choose this and now outline. For adding these lights, go to the tab Insert again, choose Shapes and choose Oval. And by pressing Shift-click, draw a circle. Now change color and add effects. Go to the bevel. I choose this bevel and then go to the glow and I choose this glow for these lights. Press key control and copy of these lights. Select all these lights and circle around the main circle and group them. Now play the animation again. Okay, we need this start button. Go to the tab Insert, Shape, and choose Oval. And by pressing Shift click, draw a circle. Select circles and align to the center and align to the middle. Change the color. We want to write a start in this button. Double click and type start. You can change its font. Go to the tab Home and change this. You can change the size or add effects on this font. See our lock wheel until here. Go to the slideshow and press. Now we want this lock wheel start when we want to click on this start button. For this, select on these circles. Go to the selection pane. Here is the name of this circle, Oval 59. We want to change its name to Start. After changing its name, go to the animation pane, tap Animation. On Animation pane, select on your main animation Spin and choose and trigger on click off Start. Do it for this animation again. Trigger and click off Start. Let's see what's happened. Go to the slideshow. Click on your Start. You see this lock wheel start to spin. Okay, click again on Start and it will stop. Now in this step, we want to create this indicator. For this, go to the Insert, Shape, and choose these shapes. Draw it, rotate it, and by this point, you can change the form of these shapes. And even if you want, you can make it small. Now you can change its color. And instead another circle for looking more attractive. You can group them. Okay, go to the slideshow, press on Start. If you want to make it more attractive, you can add sounds to this animation. Go to the animation pane and choose your main animation and click on this effect option and choose the sounds that you like. I download sounds from Google that's related to this lock wheel and add it from other sounds. You can change your background color by right-click on Background, Format Background. In here, you can change solid color, or maybe you can download any picture from Google. I download this background for this lock wheel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create lock wheel, use animation for this, and use trigger and add sounds to your lock wheel. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.